underneath here, there's some push pins. You want to take those out with a trim tool. Just get underneath there and just try to pull those out. Take this whole cover off. Oops. And slide that down. Disconnect the connector right here. You can take a straight blade screwdriver, just pop up on the lock part of it, grab the connector and slide it out. Take all these nuts off. You have 2 on the side, 3 in the middle, 2 on the other side. Use a 10mm socket. Take those all out. Right here, there's a little clip on each side. You want to just take a screwdriver or a pry tool and just push on that clip. Then you can grab it from the other side and just slide it out. And take the light, line up all the studs, and push it back down, lock it in position. Where's the nuts? Put the nuts on, get those all started. And tighten those down. Just snug them up. Now plug it in, lock it in place. Now line this cover up. Take the push pins, get those lined up. And push them all back in place. And the last one. There we go.